How to add passcode lock to Telegram chats. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually add a passcode lock to your Telegram chat. Let's go ahead and do this right quick. Now, firstly, you're going to want to head over to the settings. Now, in these settings, make your way down to the privacy and security setting, right next to the notification sound setting. Go ahead and click on it. Now, here in privacy security, the second option should say passcode and face ID. Now, go ahead and click on it. Here it's going to ask you to actually, create a passcode lock. Now, go ahead and turn on passcode and put whatever passcode you want. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this really quick. You guys can see we have now enabled the passcode lock. So let's just say that I want to go ahead and maybe I don't want anybody looking at my chats. All I have to do is at the top where it says chats, I would go ahead and click the lock. And essentially what this does is it locks the Telegram. So basically I will have to put in a passcode in order for me to be able to have access to those chats. So basically that's how you go ahead and add a passcode to a Telegram chat. Super easy and super simple. So with that being said, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.